Guys, welcome back. So today I will be making a pumpkin cheesecake trifle. If you want to see how, then continue watching. Please hit the subscribe button and like this video and leave me a comment of what you would like to see next. So let's get started. Alright, so I had to go to the store to buy a couple of things. A bowl, a can of pure pumpkin, some cream cheese, and whipping cream. I also had to get angel food cake. So the first thing you do is you make the whipped cream, and so you put the whole container of heavy whipping cream and powdered sugar and you mix it together. You can use a stand mixer or a hand mixer, which is what I have. You mix it together until you get stiff peaks, otherwise it won't be airy enough. That's what it should look like. So after you have all your ingredients mixed, you're going to take the cream cheese and you're going to mix it up until it's soft. I suggest letting it sit out until it's room temperature, otherwise it gets kind of hard to mix. But it'll be easier when you add the other ingredients. Next I added the pumpkin, brown sugar, and that was just one can of pure pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie mix. Next, I added 3 teaspoons of vanilla. And then the last thing was the pumpkin pie spice, and that called for 3 teaspoons as well. Once all those ingredients were together, I started mixing again. Once I started mixing all those other ingredients with the cream cheese started to get easier to mix up. You want to make sure that everything is really well combined. I did have some problem with some lumps of cream cheese, but I just kept on mixing until it was all smooth into one mixture. Now to help move things along, I did use a spoon and I just mixed it by hand so I could fill any of the lumps. And here you see the mixture when it's mixed together. It gets into a really light orange color. So what the recipe calls for is you take your angel food cake and you kind of line the bottom of the bowl. If you had a regular trifle bowl, it would have 3 layers. Because of the way this bowl is made, I did 2. So you do a layer of angel food cake and then a third of the mixture on top. Once that's layered, then you will add a third of the mixture of your homemade whipped cream. I considered getting Cool Whip, but I decided to make it instead. I'm really glad I did because it tastes so much better than store-bought. You just want to make sure that you can get it as smooth as you want, or if you just want textured, just play with the recipe, see how you like it. So at the end, after all your layers are set and you've used all the mixture, you'll put more pumpkin pie spice mix on top, just kind of to make it look nice. Alright, so that's it for now. It was really good. I unfortunately did not get any footage of myself eating it or any of the people that ate it, but a lot of people liked it. One recommendation was to add a little more of the pumpkin pie spice or a little more nutmeg by itself. So if you want to try this recipe, you could try that or leave it as it is. I thought it was wonderful. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all later. We did it! No. Did it. We did it. And haircut. Woo. This is the hardest part, making the